Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a request for converted data. On the blue sheet containing the assessments list, select the desired code. Check for the currency you want in Available Currencies and for the unit in Available Units. Copy the code, go back to the template, paste the code into a free code cell. Under Currency, select the desired currency, and on Unit, write the unit exactly like in the blue sheet. Click Get Series Values to make the request. Click OK on the pop-up, then click Yes. Wait for the data to load. Your data is now displayed in the chosen currency and unit. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please watch the next extra video to learn more about the support features.